This time we're going to learn Chapter 6, Equations and Rearranging Formulae. And yes, the whole entire time before now, I've called the chapters units. Yeah, but no, I'm still gonna call them units. I don't really care about it anymore. Unit 6. In this, the key words are expansion, linear equation, solution, common factor, factorization, variable, subject. In this unit, you will learn you will learn how to expand brackets that have been multiplied by a negative number, solve a linear equation, factorize an algebraic expression where all terms have common factors, rearrange a formula to change the subject. Leonard Euler, 1707 to 1783, was a great Swiss mathematician. He formalized much of the algebraic terminology, and notation that is used today. Equations are a shorthand way of recording and easily manipulating many problems. Straight lines or curves take time to draw and change, but their equations can quickly be written. How to calculate areas of shapes and volumes of solids can be reduced to a few easily remembered symbols. A formula can help you work out how long it takes to cook your dinner, how well your car is performing, or how efficient the insulation is in your house. You should already be familiar with the following algebra work: expanding brackets from Chapter 2, solving equations from Year 9 mathematics, factorizing in Year 9 mathematics, and changing the subject of a formula, also from Year 9 mathematics. 6.1. Further expansions of brackets. You have already seen that you can rewrite algebraic expressions that contain brackets by expanding them. This process is called expansion. This work will now be extended to consider what happens when negative numbers appear before brackets. The key to remember is that a plus or a minus is attached to a number immediately following it and should be included when you multiply out brackets. Work example 1. Expand and simplify the following expressions. So remember that you must multiply the number on the outside and the bracket by everything inside, and that the negative sign is attached to the free. Because negative 3 times x equals negative 3x, and negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. Expand each bracket first, and remember that the negative 5 must keep the negative sign when it is multiplied through the second bracket. And then you collect the like terms and you simplify. It is important to note that when you expand the second bracket, negative 10 will need to be multiplied to negative 6, giving a positive result for that term. And then you collect the like terms and simplify. Exercise 6.1. Well, basically all the questions are the same. Expand each of the following or expand each expression and simplify your answers as far as possible. So, there's a lot you need to do here, and I'm not looking forward to saying all that. You will now look at solving linear equations and return to these expansions a little later in this chapter. So thank you and goodbye. That's the end of this video.